Welcome to Money Patrol User Guide video tutorial. For this video, you will be learning everything there is to know about Money Patrol's Bills section. Let's get started. Bills. This section displays all of your bill payments. A billing reminder makes it easier to keep track of your bills and allows you to schedule your payments ahead of time. This allows you to budget your money more effectively and helps you avoid making late payments. At the top, you'll see the most recent payment, the next payment, and the total number of reminders you've created. You can create a new bill reminder by clicking Add New Reminder. In the pop-up window, enter a reminder name, date, and the bill amount. Then click Apply Reminder to save this reminder. Recurring bills. This displays your bills at predefined intervals. It could be in weekly, monthly, annually, or custom intervals. These bills will be displayed in a bar graph and table, along with the date, merchant, category, and amount for each bill. Billing calendar. The billing calendar displays all your billing information in a calendar format for each month or week. You can use the arrow buttons to view bills from prior and subsequent months. If you wish to return to the current month, simply click Today, and it will take you back immediately. Click on any billing you wish to edit. A pop-up window will appear where you can make changes to your billing reminder. Click Update to save these changes. Utility bill reminders. This is a utility bill reminder where you can view your monthly statement and see how much you owe for essential services or utilities. Custom reminders. Custom reminders can be edited by clicking the pencil icon under the Modify column. In the pop-up window, you can change the name, date, frequency, and amount in the bill reminder. Then click Update to save these changes. Credit card payments. This is a section of your credit card payments. The pie chart shows the percentage for each payment made for each institution, while the table includes the date, merchant or category, and the amount paid. And this is it for bills. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please watch the other user guide videos to learn more about Money Patrol.